Hello, welcome back guys. My name is Moin Akram and in this video we are going to make some circuit devices. After a long time I'm back from my vacation. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, don't delete the default cube, press 7 on numpad and go to edit mode and X-ray mode and select this side of edges and move like this and leave it here. Now edit mode, out from edit mode and set origin to geometry and press Alt G. Now press 1, edit mode, grab it down just a little bit and set origin to geometry. Okay, now shift A, add another cube and leave here. Now press 1 or 3, grab it here and press 1. Out from extra mode and select the side and extrude and scale. First extrude and scale. Press Ctrl R and make loop cut around here and select this side and extrude. Okay, let's check it. Okay, now select this side and grab. Okay, it's looking nice. Now go to modifier, add array modifier. Now press 1 and set value to 1.120 and 15. Now press 7, option origins and change the origin point. Now add modifier, mirror modifier on y-axis. Now grab the origin point and align with this side. Now let's check it out how it looks like. Okay, everything is fine. Just select this side of edges and press Ctrl B to make bevel and make segments. Ctrl B and segments. Okay. Now select the cube, default cube, and add bevel modifier and decrease the offset value around here. Okay, now press 7, shift A, add cylinder with 150 vertices and grab and scale down and grab it up around here. Okay, now set origin to 3D cursor. Now go to modifier and add mirror modifier. Okay, now select the IC, boolean and apply. Sorry. First apply bevel modifier and then apply boolean modifier. Now press H to hide. Okay. Now select face select mode and extrude on Z axis just a little bit and press Ctrl B to make bevel and looking like this. Okay. Now select this side and extrude and remember the value of 0.2944 0.02944 for the same this side. Now select both of faces and press Ctrl B. As you can see, it's looking nice. Now select this and add bevel. Okay, leave here. Now press 7, unhide the cylinder, edit mode and select all and grab and scale down and leave here. Select the IC boolean and with this cylinder and apply and hide. Okay. Now alt left click and alt left click and alt left click and alt left click. Now press Ctrl B to make bevel and leave here. Okay, so this is completed. I think press select mode, press I on keyboard and extrude on Z axis, press Ctrl B to make bevel. Okay, it's done. Now second thing is smaller IC. So it's very simple. Select Shift D on Y axis and go to edit mode of IC and grab it up. Grab on X axis and look at this. Decrease the array modifier value around here. Okay, so looking nice. Give it new material 001 and this is material. Okay, now another thing is transistors or capacitors. So press 1, Shift A, add cylinder with 150 vertices and edit mode, X-ray mode, grab it up and leave here. Now edit mode, press Ctrl R, make loop cuts around here. One more loop cut around here and one more loop cut around here. Now alt left click and scale. Select this one with alt left click and grab it down. Okay, it's looking nice. Now face select mode, alt left click and alt left click. New material, assign with new material. Like this. Deselect and select. Assign with new material. Deselect and select. For this one, assign with new material. Like this and press Ctrl V to make bevel. Also around here, Ctrl V. Now Shift A, add another cylinder and decrease the vertices 32. Scale down, Shift Z, Control R, right click by cancelling it and scale and alt left click and press Ctrl V. Give a new material and press 7, scale down. Okay, now press 7 and shift S cursor to selected here. Now select this one and set origin to 3D cursor. Now shift D R on Z axis and leave here, and shift R and shift R to repeat the action. And look at this. Okay, now select capacitor and press Ctrl B to make bevel around here. Okay, it's done. Now add another cube around here. Go to edit mode, grab and leave here. Press Ctrl R, scroll middle mouse button to make two segments. Scale on X axis, leave here, and select scale on X axis around here. Select both of faces and extrude. Now alt left click and alt left click, alt left click and alt left click, and alt left click and alt left click. Okay, assign with new material, and this one with new material. Select and press Ctrl V. First select all the vertex edges and Ctrl B. Okay, now press 1, edit mode, X-ray mode, select the upper side and grab it down. Now okay, name red and press 1, shift A, add cube, press 7 around here, X-ray mode, press Ctrl R to make loop cut around here and extrude, and select the edges like this and press Ctrl B. Give a new material. Shift D, rotate on Z axis 180 degrees. Hand joint and shift D on X axis or Y axis. Change the red one with black. Okay, now it's time for adding materials. 15 minutes. Okay, now go to render viewport, check ambient occlusion, screen space reflection and refraction, change the environment texture and import environment texture basic 2K003, shift A, add plan, alt G, scale, grab it down around here and scale down. Select all the cylinders and joint. Okay, now it's looking nice. Press 7, move, shift D on X axis, leave here. Rotate on Z axis 90 degree. Okay, now select the IC and go to shader editor and add Voronoi texture with mix RGB, distance to color 1 and color to best color, and leave here. Go to 3D viewport and change color to black, full black, and around here, and increase the scale value around 500, maybe 500. But first increase the metallic look, specular level, and roughness value is fine. I think it's fine. Okay, okay, looking nice. Select these and increase metallic look, specular level, and down the roughness value around here. Okay, select these and red to red with and black to black. And what is material 009? This one. Okay, increase metallic look, specular level, and decrease the roughness value. Material 007, this one, full black, and this one was also metallic. Okay, now capacitor, face select mode. Okay, material 005 is yellow with increased metallic look, specular level, down the roughness value. Okay, this one is full metallic, and this one is full black. Material 006 is 1, and this one, and this one was also full black with metallic look. Okay, so video tutorial is completed, and if you want some text around here, so select the anchor point around here, shift A, add text and type, I think, MA, oh sorry, MA 25 11 2020 and 2.83. Okay, now scale and go to text settings, geometry, and extrude a little bit and grab it down. Increase the bevel around here. Okay, so it's done. Hope you learned something new in this video. See you in the next one.